2022 is 90% in the history books. How did you do? Are you doing well? How are you planning for 2023? Are you ready for 2023? Today I'm going to share with you the 2022 Small Business Year-End Checklist to make sure you finish this year strong and set yourself up for success next year. I'd love to know your thoughts on this list, and let me know if I missed anything in the comments below. My name is Jacob Curtis, and I help quilt shops piece together financial freedom. I'm a CPA and certified Profit First professional and founder of Curtis Accounting Solutions. So let's dive right into this list. Bookkeeping. Have you done your bookkeeping for the last 11 months, right? Bookkeeping is the foundation for enabling you to finish 2022 strong and start 2023 with a solid foundation setting you up for success. So to do your bookkeeping correctly, you have to, at the minimum, you have to do these four things. You have to enter in all of your financial transactions. If you're in QuickBooks or other system, I highly recommend. So 2, you've got to reconcile your bank accounts, credit cards, and loans. 3, count your inventory, or at least have a plan to count it before the end of the year. And 4, reconcile your payroll and contractor records. Right, we have to do all of these things because each of these things are going to have a pretty significant impact on the next items on the list. Okay, if you've been keeping up with your bookkeeping all year, this task will be pretty simple, pretty straightforward. But if you've gotten behind on this task, it may seem a little daunting, and the longer you put it off, the more daunting and the more expensive this task is going to become. So if you have any questions or need help with your bookkeeping, please reach out to me and the team to see what options are available to you. Item number 2 is payroll and 1099s. Now, I already know I mentioned payroll in the bookkeeping section, but I'm calling this out again because of the impact it has on your team. You want to make sure that you have accurate records, especially if you're doing payroll or these tasks using pen and paper. Okay, if you have a payroll system, you still need to do these things to review your records for accuracy. And W-2s and 1099s are due by January 31st. If you don't want to miss these deadlines. First, it'll not make your team very happy with you. You look bad. They're not going to be happy with you, right, overall. And 2, the IRS will fine you for filing these late. So make sure you are ready by starting today, really. 3rd is profit and loss in the balance sheet. Okay, now that you've done your bookkeeping and your payroll's all been reconciled, or at least caught up through November, and you've got everything reconciled through November, you can now create and review your financial statements. This is like your scorecard. The profit and loss and balance sheet are like your financial scorecard. How did you do over the last year, right? When you include in these 2 reports a profit first analysis, which is really a cash flow analysis, okay, you can really see how well you did in 2022. So how did you do? Better or worse than you expected? Tell me in the comments below. But this isn't the only reason that you do your bookkeeping, right? This isn't the only reason to review your books and your financials. The next reason is for 3, the 3rd item on our list is for tax planning, okay? You must have some form of financial record to correctly and accurately file your annual income taxes. This is the perfect time to do some last-minute tax planning. So working with your tax preparer, find out what your estimated tax payment needs to be and then make sure you pay it by January 15th. This is also a great time, like I said, to do a little last-minute tax planning by finding out the impact any additional charitable contributions may have, or retirement contributions, or any other items will impact your taxes. One goal that we have here at Curtis Accounting Solutions with our clients is making sure that they keep as much cash in their wallet as possible. Okay, item number 4 is 2023 goals. So now that 2022 is pretty much in history, right? You need to review the goals you set from last year. And how did you do? How did you meet your goals? What fell short? What did you exceed? Let me know in the comments below. I'm really interested to see what your goals were and how you did. If this is your first time reviewing your goals, though, throughout, you set them back in January or December of a year ago, and this is the first time reviewing them, or maybe you didn't set any goals at all, then you've got to make a change. Because goals are how we track our progress towards our ultimate vision or our ultimate mission for our businesses. They're our roadmap to get from where we are today to where we want to be in the future, to our desired future. And everyone that starts a business, and every business has a mission. Even if it's not written down, there's some ultimate goal or driving force behind that starting that business or that business. And so I recommend that you review your vision, your mission statement, and write it down if you haven't. And then look and see where you were, where you are, and are you headed in the right direction? Did your 2022 goals help you fulfill your ultimate mission? Now, in order for goals to be helpful and useful, they've got to have these various characteristics, right? Goals need to be specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, have deadlines, and number 6, they have to be your goals. You need to be bought into them. If you're missing any one of these factors, you're going to find it probably pretty difficult to achieve the goal at some point throughout the year, either because you're not motivated or simply because you just don't think it's that possible. So as you plan for 2023, make sure to set some goals, at least one goal in each of these areas. In your spiritual life, financial life, your business life, your intellectual life, or your fitness goals, family goals, and social goals. These 7 areas are all about you personally, but when you grow, your business grows too. And make sure to set at least one goal in each of the following areas of your business: sales and marketing, financial, employees, systems, and community impact. As you review your 2022 information and your goals and get geared up for 2023, I want you to join me in my next webinar on Tuesday, December 13th, where I'll help you and teach you a method to get the most out of your cash and help you piece together financial freedom for your business and in your life. So click at the link in the description below to get registered today. Finish strong with 2022. Set yourself up for success in 2023 by using this checklist. And thank you again for watching. Make sure to follow me at Curtis Accounting Solutions on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube. Again, click that link below to get registered for my next free virtual webinar. Thanks. Talk to you later. Bye.